Alright guys, today we're gonna replace the air filter. This is a BMW 328. This is 2015. So guys, what you do, you just come here, you pop up the hood right there. Once you do that, you come here guys, you take up the hood just like that and lift it all the way. So right here guys, our engine. So what you do guys, first things first, this is where our air filter is, this big thing right here. So it's attached by clips all over the place. So guys, the tool you use guys is a flat screwdriver. So first thing first, you just come back right here, you take out this hose, and you can just take it like that, and then you come here, you just pull it away like that. Then you come right here guys, you just pull it away from there like that, and then guys, this thing is free. So what we do next guys is you come right here guys, where the clips are. You just open that clip, this first one, this is the second clip right here, and then guys right here guys, we have another clip, the third clip right there, and then guys we have a fourth clip right here. And then guys, on this side we don't have a clip, and then that's it. So what you do guys, we have these hooks right here. We just lift this thing out of the hook, and then guys, we pull it out from here too. Just take it out like that. So what next we do guys is once that is out, we just take this from here too, like that. So what happens guys, this thing went back here. So what we do guys, we just take it away from there like that. So put in mind guys, this thing is still being held from here. So what you do, you disconnect right here, this connector, just press like that. So guys, you just disconnect this right here, you just press on top here, then you can put on the side just like that. And guys, you open this right here, use a flat screwdriver, you just open it all the way just like that. So guys, when that's like that, you just lift it up and down just like this gently, then this thing will come out of there like that. Then guys, give you some space. So guys, right here we have our air filter, so you can check it out how it looks like. So guys, you can replace with a new one. Then make sure guys, you put it back in there, the new one right there, and then guys, you put it back everything the way you just put it in. So once that is done guys, you should be able to be good to go. Alright guys, once all this done guys, make sure you clip everything exactly to where it's supposed to go to. Clip them everything, all these 4 clips, and then make sure guys, don't forget to put in your connector. And then you don't also forget guys to tighten the clamp right there. And then also guys, put this guys, put the hood lock, make sure you put it well. You just lay it well the same way it was. Make sure all this clips and locks get in the right place. Then guys, you should be good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.